In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove or add weather data on your home screen on a Redmi smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, as you can see, I have here this weather data icon and I'd like to remove it. To remove it, it's quite simple. Just head over to your home screen on your Redmi smartphone and then long press on it. And you can see we have an option to remove. So if you click on that, it will remove. Should you want to add it again, go ahead and long press anywhere on your home screen and then choose widgets here. Now under this, go to clock and choose the one that has weather icon. Alternatively, you can go down here and you'll see weather. And now here you can go ahead and choose the style that you wish. So I'll go ahead and pick this one and then click on add. And now it has been added. So that's how you can add or remove weather data on the home screen of your Redmi smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.